The next thing is to discuss is Amazon relational data. A significant portion of use cases involve data in tabular form and may include cross-reference between tables. Scalability versus integrity. SQL supports complex queries for transactional, normalized, and uniform data. On the other hand, SQL is not appropriate for unstructured data, that is, enforcing schema consistency. In cloud, data is changing fast for SQL engine to manage if all relation schema need to be fully enforced. The above limitation can be summarized as there is a need for system to manipulate and analyze huge amount of data without impacting availability, performance, or throughput. In other words, SQL is good engine, but it is difficult to scale out to process huge amount of data and with schema-less environment. Hence, no SQL initiative like Google Bigtable. NoSQL is a linear approach that has the potential of scaling much higher but also bring with it new set of scalability challenges such as overloaded keys or heavy use of indexes. Constraints, enforcement are left to applications. Here is query model. We have SQL, pseudo SQL, and NoSQL. The software-based examples are LAMP, MySQL, Windows, SQL Server, and Oracle. And for NoSQL, we have Hypertable, HBase, MongoDB, and CouchDB. For service-based examples, for SQL, we have Amazon, RDS, MS SQL Azure, Zoho Cloud SQL. For pseudo SQL, we have Amazon STP, Google GQL Data Store, and MS Azure Storage. Amazon Relational DB Service is a web service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale an RDBMS in the cloud. RDS reduces the time-consuming administration task. RDS gives you compatibility with access to the capabilities of a familiar MySQL, Oracle, or MS SQL server. Applications and tools can be used with RDS. RDS automatically patches the database software and backs up your database, storing the backups for a user-defined retention period and enable point-in-time recovery. IOPS is a new storage option for RDS designed to deliver fast, predictable, and consistent I/O performance up to 10,000 IOPS per DB instance. Amazon Relational DB service can be provisioned with either standard storage or IOPS storage. RDS makes it easy to use replication to enhance availability and reliability. Multi-A to Z availability zones deployment option allows you to run mission critical workloads with high availability and built-in automated failover from your primary database to asynchronously replicated secondary database in case of failure. RDS for MySQL enables you to scale out beyond the capacity of a single DB deployment for read-heavy DB workloads. There is no upfront investment required. It is pay per usage.